All right, if we look at question 1 and just read it carefully, it says a 50 milliliter soap bubble was blown or made in the 27.0 degrees Celsius room. It drifts out an open window and lands in a snowbank at -3 degrees Celsius. What is the new volume? All right, let's go back and look at the numbers. 50 milliliters, that's got to be a volume number because milliliters measures volume. And it's the first volume mentioned, so that's going to be our V1. It's in a 27.0 degrees Celsius room. Well, that's a temperature, and it's the first temperature mentioned, so it must be the T1. And let's remember that 27 plus 273.15, if we're being precise, would make a first temperature of 300.15 Kelvin. So 27 is that temperature in Celsius, 300.15 is our temperature in Kelvin. That's the temperature that we want to use in our formula. If we keep on reading, it says drifts out the open window, lands in the snowbank at -3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the second temperature, -3, converted to Kelvin is 270.15. So that is our temperature that we want to use as our T2. So we are solving for what's the new volume. So we're solving for V2. And V2, to learn the final volume, we have to take the final temperature times the original volume and divide that by the original temperature. So let's do that. Our final temperature, right, the T2, was 270.15 Kelvin. The original volume was 50 milliliters, so multiply that by 50 milliliters. All right, and we're going to divide that by the original temperature, which was 300.15. Notice that the kelvins cancel out, and you're left with milliliters, which is good because that's what we want to solve for. We want the new volume in milliliters. So on my calculator then, I'm just going to go parentheses, 270.15 times 50.0 parentheses divided by 300.15 equals. And that's my final answer there. All right. So my answer unrounded is 45.00249875 units are milliliters. And if I'm going to choose to round this to correct significant figures, 50.0 has 3 significant figures, 270.15 has 5, 300.15 has 5, so I need to round that to 3 significant figures. So the rounded to correct significant figures answer is 45.0 milliliters.